Hey Middle Earth fans, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel to another video. I have another environment and it is a Hobbit hole. It is 22 Pine Grove. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's get right into this because I'm excited for these Hobbit holes. I really am. I absolutely love these things. Absolutely love these things. So cool. And I've seen saw a new item up on Weta's site, and I'm sure you guys have seen it. That's coming up and is a bigger version of the Green Dragon. So that's going to be cool, and I am going to be getting that one. So yeah, these things are awesome. So here's a picture of 22 Pine Grove. So cool. I love this one. This one's so cool. Awesome. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. These over here for now. And that over there. Okay. And with these, and like I said in previous videos, I am making a village of these. So I just love Hobbit holes. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord. I love this. This is so cool, guys. I'm so happy with this one. And it took a while for me to get this one. I'll do some close-up shots. Just show you the overview here. And this has been sculpted by Leonard Ellis. Show you on the bottom there. Thank you, Leonard. I absolutely love these. I hope you're watching this, as I love your work and love the Hobbit holes. Love the Hobbit hole line, the whole thing, shebang. I'm trying to get every Hobbit hole that you guys have. So yeah, this one's really, really cool. I like the bushes and everything on this one. The walkway into the Hobbit door, into the Hobbit hole. This is so cool. And then typical on the back side here, just flush, black and everything. Yeah, I absolutely love this. And the chimney on here, which is so cool, wicked. Yeah, I want to show you guys some close-ups now. I absolutely love this one. So let's get some close-ups. So here's 22 Pine Grove. Absolutely love all the flowers on this. So cool. I'll zoom in here. Look at all the flowers on that. On the overhang and all in the tree or in the bush there. So cool. I'll back up. I don't know why I'm so shaky there. I'm sorry. But you can see the pathway leading into the Hobbit hole there. And then the basket there. And the brickwork on this, phenomenal. This is so cool, guys. And here's the chimney I was talking about. Oh, I didn't notice that. Right on top. See more yellow flowers on there. And the flowers on the over top here on the shrubbery is all pink. That's cool. I like that. And then you can see this bush there on the right. Really cool. You can see what I mean here with the stones going leading to the door there. Really, really cool. But look at this, look at the brick and the window there. That is awesome. I love it. And then here's the another window there. I'll zoom in there. That's pretty cool. Really, really cool. And then the Hobbit doors. Absolutely love it. Awesome. Leonard, my hat's off to you again, man. I absolutely love these. So cool and awesome. Oh, and then more flowers off to the left there. More flowers. Here we'll go from the top down. More flowers around the stones there. I really love this piece, guys. It's so cool. So that's 22 Pine Grove. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you guys thought. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys in an upcoming video.